Namaste. Welcome to Kuheli ki Duniya. Wish all my viewers a very happy, healthy, and blessed 2023. I wish all your dreams should come true and whatever you are wishing for, you should achieve in this year 2023. And all your wishes should come true. For that, I have made a video on positive affirmations, and I'm very sure that this video is definitely going to help you in a very great way. So without wasting time, let's get started. Affirmations are powerful tools that can help you overcome negative thoughts and actions by replacing them with positive ones. To get started, all you need is a few minutes each day and some affirmations that resonate with you. Begin by taking a few deep breaths to calm your mind and body. Repeat the affirmations 2-3 times out loud or in your head. Be consistent. As you continue to practice, you will notice changes in your mindset and attitude. You can also write your affirmations 2 to 3 times a day. The more you practice, the more you will see the benefits of positive affirmations in your life. Remember, it takes time for changes to take place. So, be patient and consistent with your practice. Let's start with some great 2023 affirmations for an amazing year. It's time to let go of the past and embrace the future. Money and success come to me easily. 2023 is a new year filled with endless opportunities and possibilities. I love myself just as I am. I am grateful for all the lessons and experiences from the past year, and I am determined to make the most of this new year. I will prioritize my health, happiness, and personal growth. Everything is working out for me. I am open and receptive to new opportunities. I am unstoppable in achieving my goals. I am worthy and deserving of success in 2023. I trust in my abilities and make confident choices. I am ready to design the life of my dreams in 2023. I will be grateful for each and every day in 2023. 2023 is a perfect year. I am the architect of my fate and I can achieve what I have dreamt for myself. Those that surround me bring abundance, joy, and support to my world. All the good in my life comes to me because of my willingness to find happiness in each moment. Now is my time to thrive. This year, I am making myself a priority. My brightest, highest self always shines through. I am in control of my life. Everything is working out for my highest and greatest good. I am worthy of having a beautiful, healthy, and successful year ahead. I am welcoming this year of transformation and I have a great year ahead of me. I am bigger than my doubts, bolder than my fears, and stronger than my obstacles. I am walking into new beginnings with confidence and positivity. I am aligned with my inner being and my purpose. I am inspired to take actions that will make myself and my life better. I declare that this year is already filled with accomplished goals and major breakthroughs. I am aligning my priorities with my daily routine to take my life to the next level. I enjoy my life and live every moment to the fullest. I am thankful for the new opportunities that are coming. I am creating good habits through consistent actions. I am stepping into the most successful and abundant year of my life. This year, I am filled with peace, calmness, and purpose. My magnetic energy draws positive and uplifting people into my life this year. I know life is a gift and I am grateful every day for my life. My potential is endless. I will remain committed to self care this year. I deserve all the happiness coming to me this year. Abundance flows towards me effortlessly. I release my fear. Positivity is coming my way. Goodness is all around me. I love the person I am right now. My happiness is my priority. I trust myself. I'm prepared for new challenges. I am capable. I'm learning and growing every day. I'm grateful for the many blessings in my life. No goal is too large for me to achieve. My mindset is in line with the life I want to live. I know I will accomplish my big goals this year. Every day I'm one step closer to my dreams. Success is coming to me. This year is for me. Nobody has the power and courage to stop me. I am unstoppable. I am born to be exceptional. I am open to new experiences and learning new things. My success will scream about my hard work, patience, and dedication. The word give up doesn't exist in my dictionary. I am disciplined and consistent. I am full of hope and optimism. One by one, I am overcoming each fear of mine. I don't need anyone to stand by my side. I am my biggest supporter. I accept the things I simply can't change. I radiate an enormous amount of confidence. Challenges teach me lessons I couldn't learn by myself. I let go of anything holding me back from achieving my goals. I am getting better each day. It's my life and my rules. I won't let others' opinions negatively influence what matters to me the most. I hope you will find these affirmations for 2023 extremely helpful. There is incredible strength and power in words. If you can select the right words, you can create your own narrative and use it to make yourself, especially your mind, positive and forge ahead in life. With 2023 here to greet us, pick an affirmation that speaks to you the most and start repeating it not only at the beginning of the year but throughout the year. Repeating them with complete faith and hope will help you counteract feelings of negativity, worry, apprehension, and uncertainty. Allow the positive affirmations to seep into your mind and energize and motivate you. Remember, the affirmations are a step towards a change and better life, not the actual change itself. So, the onus is on you, and you need to take action yourself to improve your life. Do subscribe this channel for more such videos. Please also comment and let me know what type of videos you all want to watch more. Also do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.